In 2015, Theranos was valued at $9 billion. But the machines? They reportedly had significant issues. In 2022, she was convicted of fraud against investors.
Holmes, undeterred by skepticism, launches Theranos, pulling in millions in venture capital.
Holmes doesn't flinch. She launches Theranos, drawing millions in venture capital. Investors hand over millions, entranced by Holmes's vision, a tech marvel in the making. Her board, a star-studded lineup. George Shultz, Henry Kissinger, powerhouses. Theranos becomes the talk of Silicon Valley, a mysterious tech giant rising in the shadows. But here's the hook, a promise so bold, it could shatter everything if it fails. Holmes announces a partnership with Walgreens, nationwide access to her technology. Theranos machines reportedly debut in Walgreens. A faint, sterile hum fills the air. Something new is here. Cameras flash. Holmes stands, smiling, her image radiating across headlines. Success seems tangible. Forbes declares Holmes the youngest self-made female billionaire, but behind the empire's facade, questions linger. Investors circle like hawks. Holmes's promise of revolution lures them in with irresistible force. $700 million poured into a vision fueled by charm and unwavering conviction.
But here's the crazy part. Experts call it a phenomenal rebooting of laboratory medicine.
Holmes is hailed as a disruptor, her every word promising a future of endless possibilities. Theranos' allure grows, but success breeds scrutiny as whispers of doubt begin to spread. Yet whispers emerge, a quiet unease. The facade shows faint cracks. The Wall Street Journal sniffs a story. Questions arise. Shadows loom. Holmes's world, once shining, now subtly trembling. What was solid begins to shift. An investigation begins, peeling back layers. The Theranos enigma, ready to unravel. A rumor spreads, the machines don't work. But how deep does the deception run? John Carreyrou, a Wall Street Journal reporter, digs deeper. He smells a story, a big one. October 2015. The first bombshell drops. Carreyrou's article raises questions, serious ones. Holmes stands firm, reassuring investors. But the seeds of doubt planted. Every claim is now under a microscope. Investors demand proof. None is forthcoming. Forbes retracts its valuation, Holmes's empire crumbling on paper as the truth emerges. Public confidence wanes. The FDA, CMS, even Congress ask hard questions. Holmes, once a Silicon Valley icon, faces public fury. The facade is cracking.
Investigations intensify. Inner circle members flip, sharing truths they once buried.
The SEC steps in. Official charges, alleged massive fraud. The empire implodes publicly. Theranos, once a giant, now serves as a cautionary tale of unchecked ambition. Holmes and Balwani sit in a crowded courtroom, exchanging tense glances. The air is thick with anticipation. Their empire, once valued at $9 billion, now reduced to scattered remnants of ambition. Holmes stands before the jury, her confidence cracked, but determination still flickering in her eyes.
Her voice breaks as she denies any wrongdoing, but the evidence presented was substantial.
Emails, documents, testimonies, all unravel the facade she meticulously crafted. Sunny Balwani, once her loyal ally, now distances himself, claiming he was unaware of the full extent. Public faces turn from admiration to disdain, the golden couple of biotech now symbols of fraud. The jury delivers their verdict, guilty of defrauding investors, a shocking fall from grace. Holmes, expressionless, processes the verdict, the reality of her empire's end setting in. Outside, journalists swarm, Eager to capture the moment, a tech icon fell. Holmes's sentence, over 11 years in prison, dreams shattered, ambitions turned to dust. Holmes and Balwani owe $452 million. The magnitude hits like a tidal wave. Financial ruin isn't just numbers, it's trust, shattered, futures altered. Silicon Valley, the heart of innovation, is also home to the dangers of unchecked dreams. When visions become illusions, reality pays the price. Experts call for transparency, a watchdog in every innovator's shadow. Without accountability, ambition risks transforming into deception. Holmes's story is more than a downfall. It's a stark warning to dreamers everywhere. Innovation demands boldness, but where's the line drawn? Theranos is a testament to ambition untethered from reality. A $9 billion empire built on a promise never kept. Holmes sustained the illusion, driven by belief, blinded by potential. Her tale echoes in the halls of startups worldwide. Even the brightest visions must be moored in truth. Learn from the past. Build futures with transparency as your guide. Why did she sustain this illusion until the end? Ambition, unchecked. Consider scrutiny's power, ethical leadership's paramount role. How can we prevent repeating history's missteps? Share your thoughts. Let's rewrite the script on innovation.